Okay, ji parents, I have got with me this social studies book for grade 4. This is concerning the primary section, and the parental update is that this book has been successfully converted to a video lecturing book, and the methodology is same, that all the text available over here onto this book, ये स्क्रीन के ऊपर ऑन स्क्रीन रीडिंग के तौर पे अवेलेबल होगा. बच्चे दे कैन रीड इट from the screen, backed by the audios. They can at the same time listen to it, and it's backed by the videos available. They'll be playing over here so that हमारे बच्चे इस concept को grasp कर लें. हमारी पूरी कोशिश है कि by the end of year 2024 the entire books available should be a video lecturing book. That is our aim. Inshallah Taala we are working rigorously on it कि हम इस objective को achieve करें. Okay, once the teacher plays this video lecture, at the end we have this objective type जिससे teacher जो है distribute करके she can take a feedback कि बच्चों को कितना concept grasp हुआ है. और obviously when there is a technology you always have this opportunity कि आप you can play it once, twice, thrice or as many times as the teacher feels appropriate. आज का हम आपको एक छोटा सा डेमो दिखाएंगे. डेमो हमने चैप्टर नंबर 11 ऑफ दिस बुक सिलेक्ट किया है. यू कैन लुक टू इट कि ये
Communication means ways of keeping in touch with someone else. We can communicate by speaking, writing, or by making signs. The written word is the best form of communication that has ever been invented. In books and magazines we can read about any subject in the world. We can do this anywhere and at any time. More books have been written than any of us could read even in 20 lifetimes.